Welcome aboard! Today, we have an exciting tutorial in store for you, where we'll explore how to adjust recognition rules for data capture. With elDoc, you have the power to customize field retrieval from specific document types using advanced techniques and configuration options. To get started, simply head over to the Administration menu and locate the Recognition Rules tab. From there, click on the Add button and choose the document type from which you want to extract data. Once you've added the source file, you'll have various options for data extraction methods to choose from. Let's go with the most commonly used one, Google Document AI Invoice Parser. To get data automatically mapped without the need for template setup, simply click on the captivating Init Field button. Prepare to be amazed as elDoc, utilizing AI technology, automatically maps the fields for data capture and recognition. To fine-tune the fields according to your specific requirements, simply activate the editing mode and introduce the necessary adjustments. If you want to add an extra field, you have another option. Click on the Add Field button to set up rules for capturing additional data. Use pink area to define field value. Use green area to define field anchor. We recommend providing a user-friendly field name that accurately represents the extracted value from the document. This ensures clarity and ease of understanding. Additionally, you can assign tags to the fields, which serve as labels for programmatic access to the retrieved values through the API. You may also fine-tune the confidence level per field if needed. To ensure that your adjustments take effect, click on the Apply button. For demonstration purposes, let's take it a step further and add another field. This will allow us to witness firsthand how the adjustments in settings work in practice. To enhance document classification accuracy, consider including specific keywords that are closely associated with this particular document type. After making the necessary changes to the recognition rules, it's time to save your adjustments and activate the updated rules. Once that's done, it's time to see the results in action. Head over to the AI Document Processing tab and select the document you want to process for automated data capture and recognition. To check the results, simply click on Workflow Status. You'll be redirected to a page where you'll find a list of documents uploaded and processed by elDoc. Click on the most recent document you uploaded and prepare to check the results. You'll be delighted to see that elDoc has effortlessly captured all the necessary fields based on the settings you've recently adjusted, aligning perfectly with your customized settings. Sign up for a free trial of elDoc today and embark on your intelligent automation journey.